Okay, with the correct dimensions, this is the game plan. I'm replacing this cabinet and this cabinet and this cabinet. 33-inch cabinet, 33 inches wide cabinet, and another 33 inches wide that has a built-in filler that can be trimmed down to give you approximately 35¼ inches of width. That allows you to butt the countertop into this wall right here. The countertops on both of these cabinets will be independent of each other. Replacing the panel, so they're 30 inches deep instead of the 24 inches deep that came. Everything's the same other than that. So let's see. So if we look at the 3D, flush toe kick, finished side, 2 doors open. Behind the 2 doors will be adjustable shelves. There is a filler right here and over here for this cabinet that is 21 inches deep, 33 inches wide. Those fillers are about 1.5 inches a piece. Under cabinet molding, which you already have, there's going to be a wall cabinet here that you already have. The refrigerator panel on the right will be flush with the end of this wall, and the crown molding above will return against that. Basically return against itself. See if I can show you a close-up picture of that. See it right there. Just to finish this off, it'll look like that. So that's what we have. Again, filler here, filler over here too. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will get this cabinet ordered.